Okay, let's go see what's in my fridge. What do we have here? Some cranberry sauce, some mustard, some aloe, and there's beer, almond milk, grapefruit juice. Hey look, more beer, more wine. There's some yogurt. There's some cranberry walnut bread we just made the other day. Hey, there's some tonic water for the gin. Hey, didn't really celebrate last night for New Year's, so gonna hit up maybe some of that brute. Got some water. Oh, in the back there, I don't know if you can see back there, there's a little thing of coconut milk, or I should say coconut water. Let's see what's down here now. There's some olives. Yeah, there's half a quiche. Some chicken livers for Petey. And some yogurt. I'm afraid to open this. No, there's a little bit of salad and some parsley. Some radishes here, some celery, some carrots, there's some old stuff, new stuff, borrowed stuff, blue stuff, I don't know. There's an apple, some lemons and some oranges from the tree. There we go. How about some cheese and some butter? And some packages from Pizza Hut. How long has this been here? I don't even know what that is. Okay. So this was a fun experiment. So that's what was in my fridge. You know something? There was one more thing. I didn't see what was in here before. Well, we got some pepperoni, some mushroom rolls. I think there's some chicken from a couple days ago. Lollipops, some sausage. This is sausage I used with the apple skewers. And some roll of Kodak film that's probably shot about 10 years ago. I have no idea what's on it. Actually, this is some elixir here. It's been sitting in there probably for about 4 years. Some Dragon Herbs elixir, and then you mix with some water. And pepperoni. And that's about it. So now, that's what's in my fridge.